both achieved dreams, their individual dreams. They've supported each other in achieving those dreams. My daughter has turned from a beautiful wee girl into a beautiful young woman. Kurt's story is a very lucky man. I know that they are the sort of people who will support each other in whatever they do. I know that Andrea and Gary are very proud of their son, and they have every reason to be. Over the last 11 years, he's also become a part of our family. Megan, I love you more than anything, and it makes me feel wonderful and fills my heart to know that there's another man who feels exactly the same way.
Welcome everyone, ladies and gentlemen, family and friends. We are here today to celebrate the very special love between Megan Lee White and Kurt Anthony Story by joining them in marriage. They would like to thank you all for coming all the way to beautiful Koh Samui. They would like to thank you all for coming all the way to beautiful Koh Samui to witness this bonding. It means so much to them to have you all here today.
We are surrounded by all of these lies, and people that talk too much. You got the kind of look in your eyes as if no one knows anything but us.
Remember your baby blue dickies, bunging in Taupo, our trips to Waiheke and Queenstown, our attempted and then aborted camping trip to Doubtless Bay, my white Roxy skirt, your mum plucking out our eyebrows, our girls' trip to Melbourne, losing your phone in the VIP section on our girls' trip to Melbourne, my wedding in Oakuni, burnouts in the Puketitri domain, jamming to Usher, playing Spin the Bottle at my surprise 17th birthday party, the fallout from playing Spin the Bottle at my surprise 17th birthday party.
You look so beautiful in this light, your silhouette over me.
Kurt's what I consider to be the sticky stuff that holds people together. He's that really important stuff in the middle that a group of people can't go without. So it kind of came as no surprise to me that when we went out on a stag do, and I'm comfortable in sharing this much of a layer of stuff with people, that when we set him the challenge of borrowing, I'm going to use the word borrowing, we're in Thailand, a bottle of sauce from somewhere, that he chose mayonnaise, which a few of us found out through that night can be quite sticky stuff. Joel, you suffered the sticky stuff. I suffered the sticky stuff. I made sure that Kurt also suffered the sticky stuff, but I'm pretty sure that Kurt's going to put sticky stuff to good use as the marriage goes on, Greg. And when he talks about Megan, those are the three things that I hear him talk about, is that they've got a hell of a lot of courage for the things that they do together, the things that they take on, the adventures they go on, the explorations that they do, the comradeship that they have between the two of them, and obviously today is the tip of the iceberg of some of that commitment that we've seen.
Captain Curtains. A teeny tiny part of me was hopeful that you were going to be decked out in your Navy uniform. Visions of the royal wedding must have still been running through my mind, but you look pretty knockout regardless. Megan is a lucky girl. Thank you for making her so happy. You both have a once-in-a-lifetime love, and I am so blessed to be along for the ride. Cheers to you, Kurt.
First thing I see, I want you to know it's enough for me, 'cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. So in love, so in love,
Look at one another and remember this moment in time. Before this moment, you have been many things to one another: an acquaintance, a friend, a companion, lover, dancing partner, even teacher, for you have learned much from one another in these past few years. Shortly you shall say a few words that will take you across the threshold of life, and things between you will never quite be the same. For after today, you shall say to the world, this is my husband, this is my wife.
Megan,
You are the love of my life.
you are the love of my life.
I promise to handle your heart with care
I promise to handle your heart with care
and treasure it with love.
and treasure it with love.
I may not be perfect,
I may not be perfect,
but I always let you be right.
but I always let you be right.
That's why you're getting married. And I know I'm not wrong about that.
And I know I'm not wrong about that.
Finally, I promise you myself.
I promise you myself.
Kurt,
You are my best friend.
you are my best friend.
I promise to love you
I promise to love you
and grow old with you.
and grow old with you.
I will love you when we are together
I will love you when we are together
and when we are apart.
and when we are apart.
I promise to support your dreams
I promise to support your dreams
and to respect our differences
and to respect our differences
and to love you
and to love you
and be by your side
and be by your side
through all the days
through all the days
and nights of our lives.
and nights of our lives.
Megan and Kurt, now that you have stood before me, your friends, your family, and these witnesses exchange these rings and these vows, having agreed to be married, it is my great pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife. Let's make some noise.
Is there a boundaries? I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love, baby. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love? Now I got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you. I'm so captured, got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel so enamored, hold me tight within your clutch. How do you do it? You got me losing every breath. What did you give me to make my heart beat out my chest? I feel we're close.
We've ran through the rain-drenched streets of Croatia. We've watched the fireworks during New Year's Eve in Prague. We've spun yarns with a man who climbed Mount Everest as a teenager at the world's largest beer house in Munich. We've eaten frogs in France. We've got no sleep in Belgium. We've sampled the delights of Amsterdam. We've tasted some exquisite port in Portugal. And that's just the Western Hemisphere. We've come over here as well. We've eaten street food in Singapore. We've had the best night of our lives in Thailand. We've seen the famous temples of Cambodia, and we've taken a cruise around the islands of northern Vietnam. And after all of that, we've only just scratched the surface of what we'll achieve in our life together. So Megan, my beautiful wife, thank you for choosing me to go on this epic journey with you. I've never been happier. So ladies and gentlemen, please raise your glasses once again for my beautiful wife.
I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love, baby. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love? Now I got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you. Now I got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you. And I don't wanna let go. No, I don't wanna let go. And I don't wanna let go. No, I don't wanna let